Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a new smoke that I bought for today. So this is the red. All right, this is an extra OCC. This one is a extra OCC. If you guys can see here, this is like extra OCC for this vape. So I bought a new smoke from uh smoke RPM 5 kit. It's a black leather version. This is the smoke ver- of the RPM is the newest kit. If you guys can see, this is the old one. I got the old one, this RPM 4. If you guys can see this is the old one. The white one is the old one, RPM 4 kit. Now I got the new one. That is the RPM 5 kit. Let's make there's so it's blurry because there's plastic here. It cannot be zoomed. I'm gonna like take that off first before I can show you guys how it does. So hopefully you guys have a great day today. So let me unbox this a bit. All right. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. So this is my flavor vape right now. It's a BubbleBae Grape. This is my favorite one right now for vape. All right. So here it is. You guys can see. Oh, upside down. So this is the smoke RPM 5 kit right now. So let's unbox it and see what it has. All right. Okay, just about like that. But this put it here for you guys to know. Right. So we have the thumb manual. There is a pro version of this thing. Oh, okay. The pro is with a battery. I'm done with the battery. I don't want to use it anymore. So this is the. Oh my god! It's feel premium lah. It feels a lot of premium. So that's. Oh my god! That's so beautiful. Let me put the lightning from your guys' angle so you guys can see it. Oh, that is beautiful. Let me open up the page. It's a leathery bill, so it's nice. It's a nice bill, so you can can see that it has a lot of airflow. So this one, oh my god, can pull it out just like that. To open. This is a fabulous vape experience. Yeah, I don't know how to turn it on. Right, let's explore a bit in the box. What do you have? We got an extra cartridge for the vape. Is one is a 0.23. It's a big one. Yeah, I know it's horrible. I'm sorry. I don't. So I don't think I can turn it on yet. So You have some cable that you can type C cable that you can use for charging it, but I do have a cable that we can use to charge this. Oh, it's already like 80%, so we need to know how to turn it on. So, how do we turn it on? All right, so let's prime the cartridge for the. You guys can see there's a tab here that you can like slide it out, and you can put your liquid inside. Let's put some liquid inside so you can like see how much it's whole. So I got my BubbleBae right now, my grape BubbleBae. You guys want? All right, you can put your inside your flavor inside. My God, that's a lot of flavor. But that's a lot of flavor. That's a lot of flavor, guys. Yeah, that's a lot of flavor you can put inside. Yeah. So that's a lot of flavor you can put inside. I'm go I'm not going to lie. I'm getting scared because I only feel it halfway. Halfway. I only feel it halfway. You cannot see it because it's an angle. Sorry about that. So yeah. All right. All right. Let's turn it on. How to turn it on first? Okay. 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 Right time to turn it on. All right. 5 times. All right. So you can put it on. 5 time button. So test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, it's turned up. You can see that. So that one. Oh, oh my God! The display. That is so clear, guys. That is so clear. This is what 5 watt, 80 watt. What the fuck? So this is like the reverse. They can like either you slowly reason the volume, upload the wattage around here, or you can use it backward and go to the maximum wattage that you guys can you want. So that's the ideal pill for that. Can I change the display? Wattage look unlock? Nope. So can I change the display? To press the power button and the up button. Power. Ah, yes, I can change it to red. Right now it's red. Oh my God, you guys, the display is so clear. From my point of view, I can view it from an angle, you know? I can view it from an angle. I can view it like this, facing it sideways. You guys still gonna see it. See? From an angle, you guys gonna see it. So, to power off, press the power button 5 times. Alright. 5 times power off. That's so you can change the color purple, white, red, green. Alright, this one. Right. This is my team color. Oh my god. All right, let's test the vape because I already put it like 1 or 2 minutes. So let's test the vape. All right, it's a big airflow. I'm gonna like reduce the the pull that I can take. Maybe we gonna like turn it up a bit. That's a lot. This is so for me, guys. This is so for me. This is so for me because I do love what a big puff because I do like to vape a really long time. All right, that one is nice. Maybe we can open it all the way back. Maybe we can open it all the way back and that is that is a big puff. All right, that's all for today. This is unboxing RPM 5 kit. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, you have a great day. Bye.